morning, guys. I have a breakfast sandwich right here that has egg, cheese, and sausage, and some donuts right here. One of them's cinnamon and one of them's powdered sugar and whatnot. I think this one's powdered sugar too, because I just ate another cinnamon one. So I put 2 cinnamon ones and 2 powdered sugar ones. And I think Olivia has the same over there, right, Liv?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, she has the same right there. But she has a Gatorade too.
Okay.
So guys, I'm now back into my bedroom. I just finished eating my breakfast. My mom is now making sandwiches for us for when we go to the beach today again. So this is gonna be day 2 of going to the beach and everything. And it's gonna be really, really fun. I'm really excited for it because we're going back to the beach again. And yeah, it's gonna be exciting. So I can't wait for you guys to see day 2 of this video because I'm gonna do another beach video today. And my mom, sorry, I'm so sorry. My mom bought some fruits for us too, like peaches, apples, blueberries, raspberries, just stuff like that. And she bought cherries or something, but I'm not really a cherry kind of person. Like, I don't eat cherries. So it's gonna be really exciting. And I suggested for her to bring peaches because I love peaches and they're like my favorite or whatever, and I've been wanting peaches. So also, this is like a Fishes of Florida's Gulf Coast. It's like a manual book, and you can like read about like different types of fish in here. The different types of fish. I'm assuming the fish that's like all in the ocean and like different types in here. So like you can read up on fishes and whatnot. So it's right there. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please put a like on it if you enjoy it. And comment down below what you guys want to see more. And if the comments are turned off, just don't worry about it. You don't have to comment if it's turned off. They do that for good reasons. So people don't like comment inappropriate stuff or like bad stuff or, you know, stuff like that. So if they're turned off, just don't worry about it. You don't have to comment. So we're just walking to the pool right now. Everything looks so nice over here, guys. Looks really nice. Day 2 of going to the beach / ocean. We're literally almost there. You guys see that thing right there? Yeah, we're almost there. Basically. And guys, over here inside that gate there were some cars in there, and there was some water, like they were getting flooded yesterday. They were getting flooded like crazy yesterday. But these nice, beautiful, we got these nice, beautiful flowery things around. It's beautiful. So, catch you guys back once I am at the beach again, which we are almost there. It's like back there. We are here, guys, again.
We gotta get closer.
We're at the same place where we started yesterday again. Fun, 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 fun. Liv, follow mom and dad. Look at the clouds, guys, how nice it is. It's so nice out here, for real. And all this sand. Sand, 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 sand. I love sand, guys. It's so nice on your feet. And guys, tomorrow we're going on our dolphin cruise, so I'll get that on video too. That should be fun. Relaxing, lounging.
I don't know where to put my phone at.
We're gonna make a really big sandcastle here.
Our condo, and later we are going to do some other stuff. Whoops, I almost just fell in a hole there. Anyways, guys, we are walking back. It's really hot out, so I'm glad we're walking back right now. I feel like my sunburn's really big now, but I don't know. But we are heading back right now, and later we might go out to a restaurant and stuff, and you know, stuff like that. So should be fun. Maybe go to a few stores again. Don't know, sure, but that should be fun. So That's a nice car, guys. Look at that car. Oh. Nice car. I hope those cars in there aren't flooded anymore. They shouldn't do that though. They shouldn't flood those cars. It's kind of bad. Yeah. Gotta be careful, guys, because cars pull out. You don't want to get hit by a car when they pull out. Yeah, guys, look at me. I'm probably really burnt. I don't know, but probably am. Okay, guys, so we are now back at the condo, and I'm so hot, literally, because it was so hot outside. Olivia is too.
Oh, yes, I'm so hot.
So we're sitting in our rooms and stuff right now.
And
In the
there's air
condo, and
conditioning,
it's
and
hot.
we have like a fan too. It's like
Feels better and everything. We're planning on going to a restaurant later, so that should be fun. Just trying to breathe right now. See my curls right here? I get curls after getting out of the pool or the beach or whatever. Obviously, I came back from the beach, but I'm talking about other things. Like if I get in the pool or whatever I get in, my hair gets curly like this.
whatever you can figure out why. And if somebody falls, then you
Mhm.
can't get anything else.
You guys have no idea how hot I am.
Dad and Mom say about it.
I have a little bit of sun, but I put on some sunblock because I didn't want to get too much of a sunburn and whatnot. That would be the best idea anyways. So I'll catch you guys back later when we're going to the restaurant and stuff. Hey guys, we're in the store now. It just started raining outside when we came here. We're in the store now. We're waiting for it to stop raining.
Mommy, I want the orange one. The orange one. Hi guys, we got our mask.
I'm about to put it up on my
And
head or
I've
something.
got hearts on mine.
And I did get I got a sunburn too. Like right here. Got a sun from earlier. Garrett's fried. My brother's literally fried. He's like fried. I think it stopped, guys. The rain I think stopped, so we might try to go out there soon, but we did get a little wet, but this is also my wet hair from my shower too, so. I'll catch you guys back. We're in the meat section. Now we're in the pasta section, I guess. The cookie section too.
Whoa. Okay, yeah.
And those look good.
Their water's good here.
Oh yeah, they're not gonna
They probably pour. No, they probably.
I haven't even tried it yet. Hold on.
They probably pour. They probably pour.
Cheers.
Gosh, that
Can I have the
So
orange?
good.
Can I have the orange?
yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna wait till
You like coconut. If you don't like coconut, you wouldn't like it.
Here.
That is fire.
Is it hot? Fire.
I got this
I'll let you have a bite when it's
at this place, salmon and a salad, and it's really good.
Gonna drink that or can I?
Hey guys.
Doesn't it look really good though?
She got you another straw.
Tomato.
Here.
Yeah, these are really good.
Peyton, tell the camera my food. Corn on the
This
cob,
is
mini rice
mozzarella.
soup, quesadilla. I love it.
This is mozzarella cheese. You know that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's really good.
Did you
Look
like
at
the
mom's
beets?
meal.
Do you like the beets?
Mm-hmm.
You do?
Actually, no, I haven't tried it yet.
Thank you.
Dad, I really think you're good on that too.
Salmon.
Sam, what?
I said salmon.
Yeah, but you know this is a vacation. You're allowed to get as much pop as you want.
Have you talked much to Sam?
Mm-hmm. No, this is really good.
Thank you. Oh, that's good.
Ew.
Back on the trolley. I'm gonna end this video right now, just right now, because there's nothing else really going on. So, I love y'all to death, and don't forget to watch my videos. Bye.